Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera problem. So you have two ways here on how you can fix this problem on your Snapchat app. So the first one, go to phone settings and then go here, scroll down and tap on these apps. And then here on these apps, go to apps management or manage apps. And then go to that search box and type right here Snapchat. And then tap on that app. And then from here on app info, we're gonna go here and tap app permissions. And from here, you need to tap on camera and allow this camera to access for this application. Now, once you've done, go back to your Snapchat. Now, the second way here on now you can fix the issue is go back to your phone settings and tap on privacy protection. Now from here, tap on all permissions and then find the camera option. And then find the Snapchat app. And then from here, you just need to allow camera to access for this application. So that's how you basically fix a Snapchat camera problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.